Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a little butterfly applique. So I've used this on one of my little buddy dolls, but it's this little butterfly right here that I'm going to show you how to make. It's very simple, very quick, and it looks super cute, especially on things like this. Or you could put them on hair bows. So to get started, we work with a magic circle. So I'm going to take my yarn, make my magic circle, and then we're going to chain 2 and do 2 double crochets into the ring. So 1 double crochet, whoops, and the second double crochet. And then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to do a little slip stitch down here into the magic ring. So you've got almost this little semicircle. That's one of your bottom wings. Okay, so now we're going to chain 2 and we're going to do 3 treble stitches. So 1, there's 2, and 3, and then we're going to chain 2 and we're going to do another slip stitch into that magic circle. So that's your second wing, and that'll be a top wing. So we're going to do another one of those. I'm going to chain 2, treble, treble, and treble. And we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. And then we're going to do another bottom wing. So we're going to chain 2 and do 2 doubles. So 1, 2, do a chain 2 and slip stitch back into that bottom. And you're pretty much done. So I'm going to pull this closed. So we have something that looks like this. I'm going to cut my string off. I'll leave it a little long so I can use that to sew it onto something later. So because you have so many stitches in your magic ring, you're going to need to play with it just a little bit to tighten that circle down. Don't pull it too hard because you might break your yarn, but you want to get it as closed as you can. And then you can take any other color yarn that you like for the body. I have some teal handy right here. So I'm going to tuck these 2 pieces back behind. Use those for sewing it onto something later. And I'm just going to take this piece. It can be a really short piece. I'm just going to wrap it around that middle and tie it in a square knot up here at the top. Let's see. Boop. And once I have my knot tied, I like to cut these strings just a little bit tall, because those I like to leave as my little antenna. And there's your butterfly. Super simple, easy, fast, and it looks super adorable, added to any kind of project. Thanks for watching.